Welcome to Global Economic Press, where we deliver trusted global finance and economic news, analysis, and reports, empowering leaders and investors with reliable, timely insights. I'm your host, Alex Brady. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of dietary supplements and functional beverages as we explore MagneINNO's latest innovation in magnesium glycinate ingredients. Join us as we uncover how this company is setting new standards in ingredient quality and supply capabilities, and what it means for the industry at large. MagneINNO, a business-to-business supplier focused on magnesium glycinate ingredients, will showcase its magnesium glycinate ingredient platform at SupplySide West 2026 in Las Vegas, where the company will exhibit at booth number 6145. The platform includes fully chelated, unbuffered magnesium glycinate grades with 8%, 10%, and 12% elemental magnesium, developed for different dietary supplement, sports nutrition, and functional beverage applications. As magnesium glycinate becomes an increasingly important ingredient across dietary supplements, sports nutrition, and functional beverages, ingredient qualification increasingly involves more than elemental magnesium percentage alone. Chelation status, purity, taste performance, dosage form fit, analytical verification, documentation, and commercial supply capability can all affect whether an ingredient moves successfully from formulation work into full-scale production. MagneINNO's platform is built around high-purity, fully chelated, unbuffered magnesium glycinate rather than a single specification intended for every application. The company supplies magnesium glycinate without adding magnesium oxide or other magnesium forms to increase elemental magnesium content. The material has a specified magnesium bisglycinate purity of 99.8%, while free magnesium is controlled at less than or equal to 0.02% weight by weight. These specifications provide sourcing and quality teams with additional criteria for evaluating material identity and chelation quality beyond total elemental magnesium alone. A central part of the platform is MagneINNO's approach to chelation verification. The company has developed a proprietary 7-method analytical verification system to support verification of magnesium bisglycinate chelation status. The verification approach has been filed for patent protection and combines inductively coupled plasma, optical emission spectrometry, complexometric titration, Fourier transform, infrared spectroscopy, X-ray diffraction, thermogravimetric analysis, differential scanning calorimetry, and Carl Fisher testing. Each analytical method addresses a different characteristic of the ingredient. Inductively coupled plasma optical emission. Spectrometry is used for elemental magnesium verification, while complexometric titration evaluates free magnesium. Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy and X-ray diffraction provide structural and identity information, while thermogravimetric analysis, differential scanning calorimetry, and Carl Fisher testing provide complementary information related to thermal characteristics and moisture. The purpose of the combined analytical approach is to avoid relying on a single elemental magnesium result to answer questions about chelation identity that require different forms of analytical evidence. MagneINNO uses the 7-method system as part of a broader quality framework for evaluating whether magnesium glycinate is fully chelated and unbuffered. For formulation teams, MagneINNO offers 3 standard magnesium glycinate grades developed around different elemental magnesium levels, taste requirements, and dosage form applications. The 12% taste-optimized grade provides a typical elemental magnesium level of 12.01% and is positioned primarily for capsules and tablets, where higher magnesium density can help reduce the amount of ingredient required per serving. The 10% taste-free grade is designed primarily for powders and stick packs, providing a balance between elemental magnesium content, taste performance, and formulation flexibility. The 8% ultra taste-free grade is intended for more flavor-sensitive formats, such as gummies and functional beverages, where reducing taste burden can be important for finished product development. In addition to the 3 standard grades, customized magnesium glycinate specifications are available for projects with formulation requirements outside the standard portfolio. For brands sourcing magnesium glycinate, the decision increasingly goes beyond the ingredient name or the elemental magnesium percentage on a specification sheet, said Peter Yang, marketing manager at MagneINNO. Procurement and formulation teams also need to understand whether the material is fully chelated and unbuffered, how that identity is verified, how the grade fits the intended dosage form, what the taste burden looks like, and whether the supplier is prepared to support commercial scale production. The ingredient platform is supported by generally recognized as safe National Sanitation Foundation, Good Manufacturing Practice, and National Sanitation Foundation certified for sport credentials, along with commercial qualification documentation including certificates of analysis, product specifications, safety data sheets, and supporting technical materials. MagneINNO magnesium glycinate has also been used directly in clinical research related to sleep and exercise recovery. The company includes ingredient-level clinical research within its technical dossier while keeping that research separate from the finished product claim substantiation responsibilities of individual supplement and beverage brands. Commercial supply capability is another component of the platform. MagneINNO magnesium glycinate is manufactured in China in Stockton, California, combining large-scale production capacity with United States-based inventory support. The company has more than 3,000 metric tons of annual production capacity, a 50,000 square foot company-owned California warehouse, and dozens of metric tons of ready-to-ship magnesium glycinate inventory positioned to support United States purchasing programs. Standard commercial packaging is a 25-kilogram fiber drum with a 24-month shelf life. Typical project planning lead time is 2 to 4 weeks, depending on grade, inventory position, and project requirements, while 50-gram samples are available for formulation evaluation before commercial purchasing. This supply structure is intended to support the progression from research and development testing and formulation evaluation through supplier qualification, product launch, and ongoing commercial procurement. It can also support companies evaluating a second magnesium glycinate source as part of supply continuity and supplier diversification programs. MagneINNO will present the ingredient platform at SupplySide West 2026 in Las Vegas at booth number 645. Visitors will be able to meet the MagneINNO team and discuss ingredient specifications, analytical verification, grade selection, formulation requirements, qualification documentation, samples, and commercial supply programs. On October 28th, the first day of the show, MagneINNO will host a happy hour from 3:00 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. at booth number 6145. Customers, formulators, sourcing professionals, manufacturing partners, and other industry visitors are invited to join the team for champagne and cake, discuss current projects, and explore potential magnesium glycinate sourcing and formulation opportunities. The SupplySide West appearance will highlight several criteria that increasingly shape business-to-business magnesium ingredient qualification: substantiated material identity and chelation status, formulation fit across different dosage forms, documentation and quality system readiness, and the ability to maintain consistent commercial supply at scale. MagneINNO's magnesium glycinate ingredient platform combines fully chelated, unbuffered magnesium glycinate, 99.8% magnesium bisglycinate purity, free magnesium controlled at less than or equal to 0.02% weight by weight, a proprietary 7-method chelation verification system filed for patent protection, and 8%, 10%, and 12% elemental magnesium grades. The portfolio includes taste-optimized, taste-free, and ultra-taste-free options, customized specifications, clinical research related to sleep and exercise recovery, generally recognized as safe, National Sanitation Foundation, Good Manufacturing Practice, and National Sanitation Foundation, certified for sport credentials, California inventory, and commercial-scale manufacturing capacity exceeding 3,000 metric tons annually. Together, these technical, formulation, qualification, and supply characteristics support United States dietary supplement, sports nutrition, and functional beverage companies evaluating magnesium glycinate for new product development, supplier qualification, commercial-scale manufacturing, and supply continuity. About MagneINNO, MagneINNO is a business-to-business magnesium glycinate ingredient platform serving dietary supplement, sports nutrition, functional food and beverage brands, contract manufacturers, formulators, sourcing teams, and other commercial customers in the United States market. The company focuses on fully chelated, unbuffered magnesium glycinate, multiple elemental magnesium grades, analytical chelation verification, formulation support, technical documentation, and commercial scale supply. MagneINNO magnesium glycinate is manufactured in China and supported by inventory at the company's California warehouse. Learn more about MagneINNO and its magnesium glycinate ingredient platform at www.magneinno.com. For samples, specifications, technical documentation, or commercial sourcing inquiries, visit the MagneINNO contact page.